So good morning to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Vodafone Idea Share. So previously, when we have discussed about this particular stock, so that time we have done the complete technical analysis, and also we have discussed various updates regarding the IoT services that the company has decided to introduce. So clearly, Vodafone Idea told that it will also look into technical side apart from what they actually do, that is telecom services. So again, a further update has been released today regarding Vodafone Idea. So what is that and all? So we'll try to discuss. So make sure you're watching the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so we know that an update has been released today around 10:30, and you can see currently the time is around 10:56. So I have updated all the updates in Telegram group as well. So if you have not joined the Telegram, do join that. So in that all the latest updates will be posted. Okay, so coming to the update wise, you can see company is looking to raise around $1 billion from pension funds to keep its Indian business on track. So this was the update which was released in Money Control as well. So when this particular update has been released, so stock was already in a consolidated region, so it was not able to sustain the 8.5 rupees level, and currently it is fluctuating between that particular regions. So earlier also, when market was little volatile, so it has corrected little bit from 9 rupees level and it has come near the 8.5 region. So many people had queries what would be the next immediate target in the coming session. So today we will try to do the technical analysis and we'll see what can be the next immediate targets for short term as well as for long term as well. Okay, so first let us start our discussion on analyzing how the deliveries have been taken. So this is very important because we'll know how much actual interaction is present with the stock, that is whether trading is happening or actual deliveries are being taken into their demat accounts. So you can see on April 20th, we have seen almost 27.6% deliveries have been taken and the stock was completely flat. And if you go little down, you can see April 19th and April 16th, we have seen almost 33.4% deliveries have been taken. So that time also stock has corrected almost 6%. Okay, so continuously it is trying to take the support near the 8.5 rupees region, but again it is going up, again it is coming down. So clearly you can see April 12th also the stock has corrected almost 7%. Okay, so now let us switch over to the technical charts. We'll see what are the support regions and what would be the next resistive region as well. Okay, so we're back onto the technical charts and you can see this is the 1 week chart. So always try to analyze on a larger time frame. So what are the analysis, that is whether you draw any support region or any resistive region, so try to draw those things on a larger time frame, so that time when you go to a smaller time frame, let's say 1 day chart, so automatically all the technicals will be simplified and you can easily understand so from where the stock will start reversing. So all these techniques I am discussing in our secondary channel, that is Stocks Diary Education. So if you have not subscribed to that particular channel, so do subscribe to it as well. So now coming to the 1 week chart, you can see a green color line, that is the 50-day exponential moving average, which is coming out maybe at the 10 rupees region. So when it has gone below that 50-day exponential moving average, so obviously it has showed the correction, but it has tried to retrace, but we know market situation due to the COVID cases, so it was not trying to cross that. So again it has retraced and you can see it has come near the 8.5 rupees region. So this is not the first time, okay, it is going below the 50-day exponential moving average. So earlier also almost 3 times it has gone below it and again it has retraced. So what we can conclude from the technical charts is that for swing trade, Idea is the best stock. Okay, so you can see whenever you're buying at the dip, you're getting a very good moment for the short term, again correcting, again going up, again it has come here this particular region. Okay, so same 8.5 and 8 rupees. Remember this, 8.5 and 8 rupees are going to be very important supports in the coming sessions as well. So if you are getting a chance to invest, definitely go blindly and invest in small quantities. So I'm not telling beginners to risk in high amounts, only risk in small amounts, so that you learn something new. So that time you'll understand how the chart, basically how it is following the technicals. So next time you can trade with a good decent quantity. Okay, so let us come a little bit down, and if you see the money flow index, so you can see that has dropped drastically, and you can see it has gone to the 28 region. So that is not completely in oversold region, but it is almost trying to approach that. So obviously the stock also is in the support region, and money flow index is also going into oversold. So what else you need for the confirmation? Only thing is that you need to enter at the best price, that is near 8.5 and 8 rupees region, with good decent quantity, and hold it if you're for a swing trader. So definitely you will be benefited for long term. So this particular update, if it is turning out to be a very positive update in the market, so then definitely it will continue its particular rally. So now let's go to the 1 day chart. So there also we'll try to understand how the stock is reacting. Okay, so we are back onto the 1 day chart. So in 1 day chart also you can see some important observations. So don't try to observe the candlestick pattern, but try to observe that few moving averages are trying to come closer. Okay, so that is something called a bearish sign. So technical wise I'm telling that it is a bearish sign, but not completely bearish, because the crossover has not been completed, because a smaller moving average, that is green color one 50 day, and a red color one is 200 day, that is larger moving average. So whenever a smaller moving average is cutting a larger moving average from top, then it is not a completely bullish sign. So anything may happen when the crossover happens. So let's see complete crossover if happens or not. So that needs to be decided by the market. So if it is happening, so stay cautious and invest in small quantities only. Okay, so 1 day chart, if you see when it has come below the 200 day exponential moving average, so continuous fall was there. Okay, it has already tried to retest that, but again it has retraced, and it has come near this particular 8.5 rupees region. Okay, so if you simplify further, you can see whenever it is having a little gap down opening, it is moving little sideways. Again, it is gap down opening. Again, it is moving in a sideways manner. So complete uncertainty is present in Vodafone Idea, because obviously it is operator driven. So operator driven stocks, we know how much risky they are. Okay, so if we see money flow index also, that is near 53 in daily time frame. So that is in mid range. So completely news effect is not present. So if there is any chance of movement in the second session, so try to observe near 8 and 8.5, invest in decent quantity, and if you're a swing trader, take the profit, exit, and if you're waiting for long term, don't invest in heavy quantities, only put small quantities and leave it. So that is the best strategy. So that is what I can say from my end. So try to observe these things. So next resistances you can see, that is 9 rupees, after that 9.5. okay, so these are going to be the next immediate resistances. So further, if you're having any doubt, try to message me in the comment section, and also connect me in Instagram and clarify your doubts personally as well, so that you will have complete confidence regarding the levels. Until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.